Hello everybody, if you want to make some dropshipping into your Shopify store, you are in the right place, and I'm going to be showing you one application that can be helping us a lot for making dropshipping, and this called CJ Dropshipping. So let's dig into it now. So if you don't have an account, if you don't have a store already created, I'm going to be leaving you guys a link down below in the description so you can get your store totally for free. Actually, you might get up to 14 days free trial mode, so you can see all the basic features to create your store. You can see how easy it is to create a store and how easy it is to make some dropshipping into this Shopify. So let's dig into it. The first thing that I want to do after I have my account, here you can see I'm into my Shopify app store. But first of all, I'm going to be showing you something like this. I'm going to go into my home section. Your account should be appearing like this. So you don't want to mess around here into the setup guide. Let's say that you want to start selling, but you don't have like any product. This is the reason why you want to make some dropshipping, right? So what I want to do is to head on into apps and hit into recommended applications. Sometimes the CJ dropshipping appears in here, but if it doesn't appear, you want to scroll all your way down until you find the Shopify App Store. And here into the search apps, I'm going to hit CJ Dropshipping, like this. So once I find the application, I just need to click in here, and I want to choose the Add Application. So once I add the application, you want to make sure that this is created from CJ Dropshipping, not from other third parties. So once I do have everything correctly done, I just need to install the application, approve the application to be installed into my store. I'm going to minimize this for a second, and this one's going to be redirecting us into the CJ. So I can create a new CJ account, and here we can enter an email, a passcode, and if you have an invitation code, you can add that, but in my case, I don't want to add this. If you don't want to fill this, you can choose the Shopify store, so it's going to be filled successfully. This is going to be asking if we are here for Shopify, so you want to enable this option, hit into submit, and the registration is going to be successfully done. So I'm going to skip this for now. Alright, so here we go. So now that we are here into the CJ Dropshipping, hit into I don't have products. Do you have any recommendation? If you want to find out which are like the best product for you to start selling. So what you can do is to choose all the items that are being listed in here. As you can see, we are into the Christmas season. So let's say that I want to add, let's say for example, this winter hoodie blanket. So if I am interested into this item, I'm going to be choosing add to queue. And if I want to add something else related with the thing that I just added, let's say for example this fuzzy slippers, I'm going to hit into add to queue. So here into the queue, I do have only 2 products. So what I want to do is to customize this product in order to list those into my store. So if I choose list now, what's going to happen here is going to be asking here are the variants. Here is to ship from what warehouse into what store. In our case, want to look for Shopify, and here's the product type and all of that, right? So here I want to choose a collection. If you don't have a collection, you can create a new one. Let's say that this is my first drop shipping, confirmed, and the bundle you can choose your own. Let's say for example that we are called funny items, Christmas items, something like that. Christmas, right? This is just for an example. Getting to confirmed, and here we have all our stuff here. So as you can see, this is the price of this item. For example, here's the $3, the shipping fee is $8, and the service fee is $1. So this is the whole cost of 12, almost $13. So if you put here your own price, let's say for example $14, you're going to be receiving $73 actually each time you make one sale of this. So I'm gonna hit with, let's say, $20. So every sale I'm gonna be getting $1. So if I hit into 29, for example, store price is lower than TJ price, please confirmed. So if you confirmed everything, let's say 23 and this is 23 once again, so you can put all the recommended listing price. Everything has been successfully done. Now what I want to do is to edit before listing, if I want to edit my products before listing. And what does that mean into edit? Let's say, for example, I want to customize my own title. So cute rabbit shoes, winter fuzzy slipper woman, detachable washable house shoes. This is a very large title, so I just want to use, let's say, the rabbit fuzzy slippers for women. And here, if you want to add some text, you can do that. Let's say, for example, rabbit or fuzzy slippers, and hit into list now. So in my case, I want to go into the description. If I am okay with the description actually looks great, so I'm going to leave it like that. The images, of course, I loved all of them. The variants, if you want to sell all of them, enable them. And the shipment, if it's okay to you, then you are good to go. To here into the store, here's our store, our product type. You want to add, let's say, for example, 1, 2, 3, and the collection, I'm going to be choosing dropship, and the vendor, we are the vendor, so I'm going to hit into list now. And once again, I do just need to select all the variants to enter the price of my store. So as you can see, I'm going to hit into recommended listing price and list now. So the listing is in process. You may check the listing status on list and can be managed and listed. So I'm going to be exiting this option just for a second. So now that everything has been enabled, I can go back into my store, hit into my products, and see if my item has been added successfully. So as you can see, my item has been added successfully. So what I can do is to go into my online store, hit into customize, and here into customize, let's say that I have this collection, for example this one, and I'm gonna hit back. I'm gonna hit into add a selection. I'm gonna hit feature collection or feature product, and here into this feature product, I'm gonna be choosing the text. I can choose in a specific text if I want to, the price, the variant, the quantity, the buttons, and the section. So here I can choose my product, which in my case that would be the fuzzy slippers. Hit into select, and we're successfully done. So here's the price, here is my slippers, here is my custom title, the variant, the size, the quantity, everything has been successfully done, so people can start to buy this item. So the last thing you need to do is to save this this thing, customize your own store. What you want to do is to customize your shipping sections, your payment, your checkout, your delivery options, and then your store can be active and you are good to go. So hopefully guys, it was a very useful video for you. This is like just the basic way you can start here into the CJ dropshipping. You can do so much more thing into the CJ dropshipping. So if you want to see more about this CJ dropshipping, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see more about this great application of your Shopify store. Thank you once again for watching this video, and hopefully guys, I'll see you next time.